consultant. Okay? Kindly, give you mind. Consultant, lumabas din kanina. Broker ka din. This CO technique. Structuring. Okay? 11A. A process of going around the community and forming a community about activity. Like, 12B. And available technical knowledge, expertise, or formal aspect. Ano yan, no? Meaning po ng technique. Ano yung sabihin ng word na kailangan may expertise? From the word expertise and technical knowledge. Yan po yung sabihin ng technique. Ang ibig kasi sabihin ng technique class, yung mga expert lagi nakakagawa din kasi it's so technical. No? Okay, so kailangan technique po yan, no? Ang strategy para magawa yung trabaho mo, para magawa yung plano. Ano yung strategy nito para magawa yung plano? Mapulido. Pero iba din yung kaibahan ng technique. Sa technique, magagawa yung trabaho pero yung mga lalong technical. Okay, yan po yung kaibahan. From the word technical, technique. Yan po yung kaibahan kasi baka magkuhan po yan, no? Yung approach is a bigger way to deal, no? Ang dami tayong approach, yung bigger way. Plano, alam mo na yan, ano yung plano. No? Nagkakagulo talaga mo sa yung estudyante, strategy and technique. Yung strategy, lumabas na kanina. Ang technique, yan, lumalabas yan sa mga technical na mga gawain. May word technical, alam ko na sagot dyan, technique. Strategy employed by CO worker where interest groups attend committee meeting, okay? So yung interest group, yung mga grupong na may interest sa issue na yan. Attend committee meetings of the legislative bodies to show support or protest sa ipapasang bill, lobbying. May nilalabi kayo. No? Pwede nyo ilabi yung agreement nyo. Okay kami dyan, sir. Meron kami backup ng mga research niyan. And pwede nyo rin ilabi yung protest nyo. Basta naglabi ka para meron kang inilapit. Strike rally, usually similar, may synonyms. Advocate, meron ka talagang pinapanigan na isang party or isang interest group. Yan yung ibig sabihin ng advocate. Which of the following is not, so exemption ha, hindi pwede, is not a characteristic of community development model. Project-oriented naman talaga yung CO. All geographic area are focused of organizing, of course, CO nga. Letter B, resources or both yung existing organizational resources and leadership. Yes, using resources and leadership. Issue starting point organizing people. No? Actually, yung CEO ko talaga, no? Yung CEO ay hindi ka nagsimula sa issue. Okay? I'll check. We have some delays. Okay naman tayo, di ba? Delay sa inyo, hindi. I'll recheck. See, usually, delay daw. Malalaman natin po. Wala may answer sa 13. I-rewind nyo na lang, no? It's a number 15 rin tayo. Okay, number 15. Number 16. Termination phase involves the following except one. No? Encircle that we just not. Core group formation. Kasi in the middle yan eh. Core group formation. And term evaluation. Totoo yan, no? Formal turnover. So either turnover kasi tapos na. Redefinition of role. So, nire-redefine mo yung role kasi aalis ka na. Okay? Laruhin natin, no? Ma'am, ito yung role mo, ma'am. Ito yung gawin nyo. Kasi aalis na tayo. Yung group formation sa middle phase yan. A technique which involves acting out situation which would defect the problems that and nag-acting kayo, no? Role play. Dinidefect niya yung kuha, no? Role play yan, halata naman. 18. A coalition is larger organization of groups and people organization characterized by the following except one. Ano yun? Coalition yung alliance, no? Alliance. Yung tumakbo sila Lenny, sila Joke, no? Combination para daw yung the super coalition tawag sa kanila. Kasi there is alliance of different people. Okay? Which is not. Member organization come from one sector. Hindi po ganyan yung coalition. Pag sinabi natin coalition, yung sinabi ko nga sila Lenny, yung presidency ni Lenny, di ba iba-iba naman sila, di ba? Yung iba sa kanila, iba-ibang party. May mga iba independent, no? So, yung A, tama yung A, different sectors. Ang mali po dyan, hindi po sila come from one. Ang mali po yan, no? Hindi po pwedeng one sector na tawagin natin coalition, hindi po ganyan yun. Nakikita niyo po yung slide, number 19 na tayo. Number 19. Are you seeing the slides? Huh? Teka lang ha, I'll stop. So 18 role play. 17 role play A. I think meron na, nakikita ko na. No, kasi dinidepict niyo yung kuan, no? 18, no? B. No? Kasi yung coalition po talaga, there is an alliance to different organization kasi not yung hinahanap eh. Okay, the following 19 activities fall under the pre-entry. So, hindi pa kayo nag-entry. Encircle, which is not, no? Training community leaders. So, di ba, bago na kayo umenter sa community, no? Yan yung tinatawag na pre-phase. Ano na yung hindi? Site selection. Pre-entry yan. Pipili kayo ng lugar. Lumalabas din sa board, ano yung mga criteria kung ng site selection? The first thing talaga, safety. Wala nang iba pa. Safety yung pinaka-first at saka how well that community is active naman at some point in parang paano sila nagpa-participate o nakikipagtulungan sa mga mag-immerse na mga worker, okay? Or community worker. Administrative preparation, yan sa agency. Nag-prepare kayo, paano kayo umentra. And gathering of secondary data about the community. Pwede yung mga elite or key informants, yung sinasabi natin na key informants sa barangay or community. Ano ba yung community nyo? Totoo ba yung sinasabi na may mga rebelde daw yan? Totoo ba yung sinasabi no? Ganyan ba? So training of community leaders, malayo na yan, sa middle phase na yun, banda. Okay, periodic assessment undertaken within the implementation measure period, okay? Monitoring yan. Terminal evaluation, yan po yung sa part ng pagkatapos sa termination na part, nag-evaluate ka. Impact assessment, kung may nagawa ba, no? May impact ba yung pinagagawa nyo dyan? Baseline assessment, V1 lang, no? Sa panimula. Monitoring, pag may word na progress, class, yung progress, nagdududa na kaagad ako dyan sa monitoring, yung sagot. No? Pinagdududahan ko, ito siguro yung sagot. Ganun yung kaagad na sa isip ko. Lalo na pag may word na periodic. Kasi yung monitoring kasi, minomonitor ka from time to time, period to period. So yan po yung keyword. In the community organization process, the development of the helping relationship starts from alangan ba naman, no? Pre-helping. Hindi ka mag-planning diretsyo, no? Saan ka ba magsisimula? Tulong ka diretsyo, wala ka pang alam. Diyan kasi sa pre-helping, may mga nangyayari na assessment din dyan. Yan yung ibig sabihin. No? Ang pahiwatig talaga ng tanong na to, bago ka katutulong, magsimula ka daw sa assessment. Ano yung assessment? Helping? No, implementation na yan eh. No? Action, implementation din yan. Planning. Pre-helping, assessment, knowing the data, knowing the community, knowing everything. No? Planning, agency, preparation, everything. Basta preparation pa lang. Pag may word na pre, ang tanong kasi bago ka tumulong, ano yung gagawin mo? Prepare. Ano yung pre? Word na, di ba unlapi yan, di ba unlapi? Mga panlaping una. Lumabas yan sa let. Yan yung pinaka nanggigigil ako sa let, no? Yung Pilipino ba? Nasasagutan ko yung mga adjectives. 86 naman yung rating ko sa let. Lumabas yung adjectives. Dali lang. Pagdating yung mga ponemang morponiko na nagbabalat kayo, wala na, no? Sumakit na yung ilong ko, no? Hindi pala ako nanonosblade sa English, Pilipino pala. Okay. Ano tayo? 22, stands up as just cause. No? Dito, meron kang pinapanigan. Itong word na sinasabi ko, meron pinapanigan hindi to kuan hindi to parang bias ka. For the lack of terms lang. No, kumbaga, ano ba yung right term dito? Meron kang pinapanigan. Ganun na lang, no? Stands up for the just cause of any. No, so, meron kang nire-representa, gano'n na lang, no? Ng mga disadvantaged group, no? Advocate ka dyan. Steers the community's group in the process through difficult encounter. No, guide. Planner, di yan planning. No? Researcher, yan yung meron kang gustong malaman. Teacher, yan yung kulang sa development or knowledge yung mga tao, yan magagamit. Bakit ka ba, example, maglakwatsa ka, pupunta ka ng Palawan, sana all, pupunta ka ng Palawan, hindi mo alam, mahirap yung daan. Anong kailangan mo? Guide. Kailangan mo ba ng kuan? Teacher? Yes sir, di ba sir, pag guide kasi nagtuturo ka din? Ang ibig kasi sabihin ng teacher dyan, kung yung sa illustration ko na guide, pwede ka lang yung turuan na pumunta ka lang dun, sumakay ka lang dun, ganun. Pero hindi ako sasama sa'yo. Ganun yun. Ang guide, through difficult encounter, sasamahan ka niya. Pagdadapa ka dun sa island, sa Palawan, may ahas dun, pinatay niya yung ahas. No? I haven't been there. Baka naman iba sa dito sa review natin nagalawa tapos naging anyways. I will be grateful if that happened. Okay, 24. 24 tayo. Task goals, class, no? Kandunhan to. Yung kandunhan ay, yung sa kanya lang ay task goals, group process, and relationship goals. Task goals is, winilid ka siyang tao to do something. Kaya nga task. Ano yung task? Di ba doing something? No? So, itong si Maury Rose, makinig lang kayo ha, ang isa sa pinakamalaking contribution niya sa community organization ay theory and principles of community organization. Okay? Maury Rose, theory and principles of community organization. Ito naman si Harley Trecker. Okay? Actually, si Harley Trecker, marami din siya ang bilang CEO. No? Bilang CEO. So, dahil yung Rose ay theory and principles. Kang kuan man, kang Harley Trecker, no? Meron din siya naiambag sa group work and then sa in terms of principles and practices. Wala. O yung si Harley Trecker ha, kuan siya, author siya ng Social Work Administration, Principles and Practices. Okay, si Maury Rose ay Theory and Principles. Group, banking group, professional group are examples of functional committees. Okay? Functional. Banking. Professional. Profession. Integrated communities, yun lang, yung nagkabuo lang. Geographic, in the area lang. Rural communities, o in the rurality. For lack of needed manpower, okay, mag-volunteer. Kaya nga raise ko manpower kasi wala din pera, no? At volunteers talaga yung kailangan mo. It could be race funds, but then the answer is B. Maghanap pa ng tao. For luck, ay, ikaw muna. Lilipat lang ako ng area. Saglit lang. Okay, loud and clear ba tayo? Narinig niyo ako, loud and clear? Loud and clear, no? Loud and clear? Loud and clear? A group of people who maintains an enduring social exchange network based on the we feeling. O, tayo, magkasama tayo, arising from the community, commitment, both to a belief, to a system, to a value system, ideology, reinforced by celebration of cultic devices and expressive community. Symbolic. Okay? Symbolic. No? Meron kasi cultic eh. Cultic devices. Pag kulto, marami niyang mga symbols eh. No? A description of a new form of association, organization that seek to respond to the interests of people themselves alongside the state, economy, and political society. Ano yan? New form of association, civil society. Meaning lang naman to, no? Meaning. Pag labor union, yan po yung kuan, no? Mga grupo, mga groups of people na in their different professions. Militant group, oh, yun yung may mga kuan, hawak na armas. GO, alam niyo na yan, GO. When the whole community affected by a disaster is being transferred to new town sites or resettlement area, activities are undertaken by the CO worker prior to transfer. So before, prior. Social preparation. Ano yung word na prior? Di ba? Prepare. Ano yung gagawin ng worker prior to that? Bago yung transfer mangyari, before, ano yung mangyari? So before ka gagawa ng malaking action na yan, mag-prepare ka, di ba? You prepare yourself. Ano yung gagawin mo bago ka mag-board exam? Prior for board exam, mag-prepare ka. Okay? Kumusta yung preparation dyan? Itong kuan, social integration, you integrate, no? Integration nangyari. Itong word na conscientization, it's more about yung changing consciousness ba? Kuan sa kasi to, no? Kinrate kasi to sa field of education, no? Specific adult education, no? Parang na-conscious yung tao ba? Para natauhan, ganun, no? Nakamata, no? Ganun yung nangyari. The CO worker uses the strategy by helping create new centers of power in the communities where leadership is different and ineffective. Ano yung gagawin ng worker? Ano yung gagawin niya kung yung leadership sa kuan na yan is ineffective, no? Manage of power. Centers of power in communities where leadership is different. Meron kasing mga kuan talaga, no? May mga leaders talaga na sa community. Actually, walang power yung mga leaders sa community, walang nangyayaring kuan. Kumbaga, ineffective. Bakit? Because there is power. Example, nabablock sila ng political system. So, dapat may management of power. Ang mostly ginagawa ng social worker dyan, pinapaalahanan yung mga political power na sobra sa control. Ganon yung ginagawa dyan, no? Mini-meeting. May mga nangyayaring ganon, no? Parang minomonopolize ng mga political groups or yung political people yung actions ng leaders dyan. Maybe leaders sa labor union or kahit saan or sa isang NGO kasi ayaw nila masapawan. Yeah, may mga ginagawang negotiation dyan. Ang role na tinatawag dyan din sa social work ay interactionist. Mostly pag may mga ganyang cases na political power nagkaka-intervene, interactionist yung pinakasuit. In prioritizing community problems, the worker and the people must be guided by the following. So, prioritize. Urgency. When we say prioritize, paano mo ba mapaprioritize yung isang bagay? Preference of local chief executive. Ay bawal na bawal yan, no? Bias ka sa mga political pag ganun. Sabi kasi ni Bossing, si Bossing kasi yung nagbigay sa akin ng trabaho. Ano yung binigay ni bossing pagkatapos ko sa review ka Sir James, nag-board exam ako, umasa naman, binigyan niya ako ng SWO 4. Meron kasing isang top notcher dito sa Lanao. Sabi ko pa no. No? Nabigyan daw siya na posisyon na SWO 4. Hindi dumaan ng SWO 1, SWO 2, SWO 3, SWO 4. Sino kayang local chief executive yung nagbigay? Okay? Top notcher. Meron akong top notcher na kilala. Dumaan man ng SWO 1. Sino kaya, no? Wag ganun. No? Availability of resources. Hindi po porkit available yung resources. Porkit ba, ganito, inalyze mo. Porkit ba maraming pera yung isang tao, malalaman niya kaagad yung priority sa buhay niya? Hindi. So, urgency. Urgency po yung kailangan, no? Stage of CO process in which establishing a friendly yet proposal relationship starts. A slow profile is preferable than a grand one that probably raises necessary false expectation. Entry to the community. No? So, ito yung stage class na meron kasi tinatawag dito sa kuan. Teka lang ha. I get water. Dryness, no? Okay. Palo profile ka, no? Hindi yung kuan, no? Ay, ma'am, salamat sa pagtanggap sa akin, ma'am. No? Anak ako ni Mayor. Pag ganyan-ganyan ka pa, no? Ayun, ma'am, yung tatay ko man yan si kuan, ma'am. Yes, na. Mag-expect yung tao sa'yo, wala ka pala nagawa. Palo profile, kung malaki yung influensya mo, kapit mo dyan, mas mabuti pa yung kuan, no? Nag-exceed tayo sa expectation nila kasi nagpapa-low profile tayo. Pero yung nagpapataas ka ng profile dyan, wala ka palang nagawa, ay, sa Bisaya pa no, parang naghilas-hilas ra ba? Ganun yung nangyayari. Hilas-hilas ra kita, ganyan. Okay? Nag-smile si Ma'am Carmela. Kaso yun nakita si Ma'am Carmela. A method popularized by Paulo Freire Prairie. Hirap basahin ito. French yata ito, no? Paulo Freire, which involves the people in problem-solving process through consciousness raising. Action, reflection, action. Okay? Consciousness raising. No? Action, reflection, action na naman. (34) There are 3 approaches in developing community profile except low profile approach. Hindi pa nagsali. Normative, it's about the norms. No? Ecological, it's about the environment. Structural, ang daming structural, no? Is it a political structure, social structure, or sa family? Ang dami po. Hindi po kasali yung low profile. This tool for problem solving derived from the work of Kurt Lewin's theory of social change. It's a process of identifying the dimension of the problem and determine the strategies for solving it. Force field. Ito yung meaning, no? I-identify yung problem and ano yung mga strategy na kailangan mo solve. SWOT analysis, no? Participatory rural appraisal. So, pupunta ka sa rurality na yan, mag-appraise ka muna, mag-kuhan ka muna, parang mga unvas ka muna, ba sino ba yung mag-engage dito. Stakeholders analysis, ang daming stakeholders na involved. Analyze mo kung how they can help. No? So, SWOT analysis, alam mo na yan, no? Strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and opportunities and threats. Yun na, saan yan kuan magagamit. Ocular survey is requirement before one may engage, no? I-survey pa muna. This is usually conducted on pre-helping. Magre-research ka pa lang kung okay ba yung lugar. Ano yung dapat tignan? Inulit ko na to, ha? Ano yung dapat tignan sa ocular survey ng isang lugar? Titignan nyo kung safe ba yung isang lugar. Okay? Kung safe ba. And kung gaano sila ka-active sa CO process. Well, hindi ko sinasabi, class, na kung hindi active, hindi tayo dyan, walang kwenta yan. Challenge din yan sa CO. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na umalis kayo dyan, walang kwenta yan lugar kung hindi active. Kaya nga tayo nandito ng mga social worker to make it active. So it's a challenge. But it's good kung nakita nyo na active naman, okay naman, bonus na yan. What challenge is yung hindi talaga siya active na lugar. The process making the people aware, no, of social conditions affecting their lives. Conscientization. Making aware. Awareness raising kasi yan eh. Yung kasing conscientize from the word consciousness, parang bumalik ka sa katinuan. No, parang hindi naman galing sa pagkabaliw, ha, kasi hindi na to HBC. Pag mga HBC kasi yung mga mental health issues dyan, no? So, from the word aware, so you become aware. Parang kang from coma, gumising ka na. Conscious ka na ba? Yun yung word na conscientization. Author the book Pedagogy of the Oppressed. So, pag may ganyan, no, Paulo. Okay? Diyan daw yung kuano, yung na-oppress yung tao, no? Sa mga problema na pinagdadaanan, diyan daw nabubuo yung culture of silence kasi may na-oppress. Nakitaan ng tao yung nang-oppress mas makapangyarihan. Wala ka na rin. Napasilent ka na lang, silent mode. Diagrammatic tool that can be generated with the community participants to identify core or underlying problems and their root causes. No, root. Problem tree. May puno kasi yan eh. No, di ba? Yun yung problem tree. Ano yung mga root causes? Okay? The church need for an approach that would answer to the total life needs of the people, not only to the liturgical spiritual needs adopted. BCC, CO. Okay? BCC, CO. I forgot the meaning of this, no? I'll search this. Okay pa ba kayo dyan? Makatulog kayo, ha? Lumipat ako ng lugar kasi lag. I forget the meaning of this nung nalagay ko to sa isang PowerPoint ko. Anyway, first successful PO, People's Organization, ha? Established in the Philippines using Alinsky method. ZOTO, Zone 1 Tondo Organization. Yan talaga yung first, no? Ano yung method ni Alinsky? Parang yung method niya, di ba, yung BCCO. Conscientization and dialogical process was developed by mga objective na to. Wala nang analyze dito. Paulo Freire. Okay? Sino ba to si Angelito Manalili? Kilala niyo ba yun si uncle niya to? Angelito Manalili, meron siyang libro, no? Na People's Empowerment. No? Sa kanya, si Manalili, basta People's Empowerment sa CO, no? Pag-empower sa mga tao, Manalili yan. Meron siyang book, no? This book seeks to portray the process of community organizing as collective endeavor. No? Collective, diba? Lamang two is better than one. So, the more collective yung tao, they are empowered. Yan yung kang Manalili. Yung kanina na nasabi ko na yung mga iba. Participatory tool by use the community organizer to identify relationships. Where are we here? Identify relationships of different organizations and groups in the community and determine the overlaps in the degree of relationship between and among these groups. Okay, relationship about. Venn diagram. You're going to look at ano yung forma ng Venn diagram na yun. Para siyang circle, no, na nag-overlap sa dalawang circle. Ganyan, no? Nag-overlap siya ba? Yung sa gitna, may gitna dyan, no? Sa gitna. Yung overlapping. Yan yung, di ba? Diba? Determines overlaps the degree. Parang dalawang bola nagkabanggaan. Wala akong bola dito. Wala akong ma-illustrate na bola. Meron pala, no? Isang bola lang. Huwag na lang, no? Sa ganun yan, no? Duly elected representative of the marginalized groups in the Philippine Congress are called party list. Di ba yun yung mga party list, di ba? Anak muna. Ganon, no? Mga party list. Sila yung mga marginalized group na representative ng mga marginalized group. Ito na party list about to sa mga farmers. Okay? Mga ganyan ba? Sectoral. Ano yung mga sectors, no? Farming sectors. Iba din yan, no? Fishing sector, no? Labor union sector, no? Farming, ganyan. Political, alam niyo na yan, mga party list. Political party list. Pag marginalized group, party list representative kagad. Technique. Yung mga technical, ha? Pag technique, mga technical. Yung mga technique. Use in CO where the worker breaks up the problem. No? Hinihimay. Exploring the content and examine the various aspect. Situation analysis. Ano ba yung situation natin? How it affects, how it impacted the people. So, technical yan eh. Technical yan kasi may mga ibang nangyayari siyo na aksidente yan. Yung nangyayari kasi, maling problema yung sinolve. O, hindi na-solve yung totoong kuan. Maling cause, rather. So, hindi na-solve yung problema. So, technically, kailangan niya ng mga technical na mga tao. The formation of this organization is considered an important CO strategy. The primary aim is to gain economic improvement. Si cooperative. I've been in Bukidnon a couple days now. Doon ko nakita, ang mamahal ng kuan. Ang mamahal ng kuan. Gasolina. Dito 49, dito 53. Tinanong ko yung pastor namin, ano yung rason? Hindi ko pala tinanong, he just shared. Cooperative. No, cooperative, no? Yun talaga yung purpose ng cooperative, no? Nagpoporma sila of this organization para economic improvement din siya. Kasi may mga iba kasing businessman na walang konsensya. Pagkamahal-mahal ng binibenta, hindi naawa sa mga tao. Siguro yung businessman na ngayon, no? Going to Paris yun. May plano yung mag-Paris. Pupunta siya ng Paris, kaya ang mahal-mahal ng ito BPSP, no? Lumabas to. Philippine Business for Social Progress. No? Is the largest business-led NGO, no? And operates, no? Here in the Philippines. So, yung punto talaga ng NGO na to is about, no? So, Philippine Business for Social Progress, NGO siya. Tumutulong siya sa na mabigyan na negosyo yung mga tao. Okay? Barangganic approach, alam mo na yan. BCO, alam mo na yan. Refer to individuals as group involved, interested, or impacted positively or negatively by development activities or programs. Stakeholders. Yung meaning ng stakeholders, sila yung mga involved. No? Individual man yan or grupo. No? Mostly sa mga stakeholders talaga, malaki yung influensya. No? Ito talaga yung meaning ng stakeholders. The term social action was used for the first time in social work by, sino kaya? Mary Richmond. Okay? So yung naiba lang naman dyan, si Gisela Konopka. Sino kaya yan si Gisela Konopka? Okay, Gisela Konopka, social work, social work personality. Professor of Social Work in University of Minnesota, no? Ano yung ambag niya, no? World-renowned researcher, known as a moving force behind innovative methods of practice in social work. Ganun po yun, no? Sana all, no? The rest, nalaman nyo na yan last time. I think I had a class na dakil ko niyan si Donham Alinsky. Emerging CO model which employs a process of involving local resource users and community leaders in active management of their natural resources. Natural resources yung pinag-usapan dito, ha? Community-based resource management. Hindi naman health yung pinag-usapan, hindi naman siya community-based health program. Ano yung sagot niyo? Ano yung letters ito? Para siyang B, no? Eagle kasi siya, sorry for this. And hopefully I understand na para understandable na yan. Formalization of people's organization involve the following except lobbying of leaders. Of course, mag-i-elect ka ng officers. Puporma ka nga, hindi ka mag-i-elect. General Assembly, paano kayo mag-i-election kung hindi kayo mag-gather? Creation of committees, o pwede yan. Yung lobbying of leaders, maling-mali yan. Parang ito kasi yung ginawa mo eh. Uy, yun yung bet ko eh. Hindi yan ganun. Pabayaan mo yung tao, wag kang makisawsaw dyan, no? You are a community organizer who is newly assigned to Barangay Anahaw. You are representing an NGO which implements community-based drug rehabilitation program. What will be your first activity in the community? Ano kaya? Alam mo na ba naman, no? What is it called? Kung yung tanong ay ano yung first na gagawin mo, tapos merong courtesy, yan yung sagot. Ano yung first na gagawin mo activity in the community? Kung yung sinabi, ano yung first na gagawin mo sa mga kliyente, yung mga taong yan na merong drug-related issue, pwede hindi maging kupan. Sa community kasi, ibig sabihin, anyway, CO naman to, ano talaga yung gagawin mo sa community yung lalabas? So, what is it called? Conduct interview to gather data about the community. So yan, pre-helping phase. Identify core group. Hindi pa mag-courtesy call ka muna. Hindi yung nangyari dyan ay, uy, sino ba to siya? Bakit nagkakandak yung activity? Hindi mo ito nag-courtesy call, no? Malalago tayo dyan. You are a community organizer assigned to organize the worker in a factory to help the workers come up with a collective bargaining agreement with the employer. What would be the most appropriate CO model that you will apply? Factory to help workers come up with a collective bargaining agreement. Siguro may problema yung mga worker dito about sweldo siguro or schedule, social action. Sabi ko naman, meron lang yung tatlong pinaka-importanting model ng CO. Locality development, social planning, and social action. Yung locality development, yan yung bibigyan kayo ng mga issue na kaya lang isolve sa pagtutulungan ng majority sa community. Ang tawag dyan, locality development or community development. Yan yon. Ang social planning, mostly sa ibibigay sa inyo ng mga cases ay, pagbasa mo, may engineer, may nurse. Sometimes yung mga cases ay technical. So technical, kailangan siya ng plano. No? May nabigyan kaming case dyan na may architect kasi magre-relocate daw, ililipat yung mga tao to sa ibang lugar. So kailangan doon ng engineer para maiayos yung bahay nila, ng architect, and social developer. Ganun daw. So ang technical naman to, pag mga technical na maganyan, social planning yan, ibig sabihin yan pahiwatig. Kasi the fact that it's so technical, it needs more planning. Itong social action, ang pinaka-halatang-halata pong case dito. Hello? Social action, ang pinaka-halatang case dito ay may mga naagrabyadong party. You need to intervene dito. Pa kayo dyan, no? Dito, merong gusot siguro yung worker at saka employers. No? Siguro awayan sa ano nga to? Pasweldo, no? Grabe mo pasweldo, no? Daily